Hey guys, I'm Nikhil. In this video, we're going to discuss very controversial as well as very important topic of the history, that is our invasion theory. In this video, we're going to discuss or we're going to find out the answers of the questions like who were the Aryans and where did they came from. So let's get started. This is a little bit about me. So, what is the Aryan theory? So, according to this theory, there's a group of people, or you can say a foreign people, who came to the Indian subcontinent, especially the northern part of the Indian subcontinent. They were the white skinned people, and they established their a Vedic, society, which later laid down the foundation of the Hinduism. Okay, so you can say these are the people who were the Brahmins. Okay, and they you know they subordinated the people of who were the indigenous to the India, that is the Dravid. So basically this is the theory is all about, but keep in mind that this theory is not treated purely as academics, but it has a political implications. On the one hand, we have right wing thinkers who interpreted this theory in their own way, and on the other hand we have left wing thinkers who interpreted this theory in their own, and they both use this theory to suit their agenda or propaganda. And this kind of theory is also used in the Nazis Germany. You must be must have read about the Nazis or Hitler's Nazi Germany, where he used that these kind of theory or Darwinism to propagate hyper nationalism or jingoism. So let's understand who were the Aryans by the term itself. So the Aryan term is a cultural and ethnic term which means kinsman or companion, and it may be etymologically derived from the R. Okay, R, that means to cultivate. Okay, and Rigvedic people call themselves Aryan, and historians and linguistics use the term Indo-Aryans and Indo-Europeans in linguistic sense rather than in racial terms, and it is nothing to do with the racial discrimination here. This is the root of the Indo-Aryan migration, you can say. Okay, so the superior military technology and the use of the horses, chariots may have been the given Aryans crucial initial advantages and enable them to establish their political dominance here. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं वैदिक एज आता है. वैदिक एज के बाद महाजनपदास and this kind of Brahmins dominate करते हैं. And who were the Aryans look like? Aryans, how they look like? They were white skinned people, they had a blonde hair and blue eyed people. Aryans spoke Sanskrit language, and Sanskrit is a Indo-Aryan language, and Indo-Aryan language includes European languages, Central Asian languages, is and Indian languages. But keep in mind that Dravid, or you can say Tamil language, is not part of uh, Indo-European languages. Okay, so keep in mind this. And some tribal languages like Bodo, these kind of languages are not the part of Indo-European languages. Okay, this is very important thing. Keep in mind that will give you an edge over others. Okay, this is the map, or you can say where's the Caucasus, where's the Central Asia, Western Steppe, Kazakhstan, Afghanistan, Iran. This map will help you to enhance your geographical knowledge about where did and this map will also help you to find out the answer of the question where did they came from. So basically the original homeland of the Aryan is subject to continuing debate, but many original homelands is presumed, such as Tibet, Afghanistan, Iran, Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Lithuania, Arctic, Caucasus, Urals, southern Russia, Central Asia, Steppe region, West Asia, Turkey, Scandinavia, Finland, Sweden, and India itself. But the most widely accepted view is that the Aryans came from north of the Black Sea. Okay, this is the prevalent and the most widely accepted views of by the historian. Again, this is the root of the Indo-Aryan people. You can say I have told you now. This is the area north of the Black Sea. This is somewhere where the Ukraine is located today, and you can say north of the Black Sea. This is the route, you can say. So what is the conclusion of the video? So the conclusion of the video is that as most of the historians discarded the idea that the Aryan invasion was not there, rather there is a migration if there is the migration rather than invasion, there is a migration of Aryans, and you can say several ways of the Aryan migration. And in the my next video, that is the Vedic period, I'll cover that topic. Okay, so and next question is that Indian were descendants to whom, किसके थे Indians किसके descendants हैं? So Indian were the descendants of Harappan as well as Aryans. Aryans is descendants of mixed origin, Harappan as well as Aryan. This is the conclusion of the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, that will give you me a feedback, and please give your feedbacks, your rates, reviews and videos in the comment section so that I can understand what you are thinking about this theory. This